When I said we had a special guest coming up, I meant it. He's a Grammy winner. He sold a cajillion albums. He's the pride of Toronto. And unlike so many celebrities who fake this stuff, he's a legitimate sports fan. He was in the locker room with Kentucky at the Final Four. He's been a dunk contest prop. Jalen, you've never been a dunk contest prop.
Started from the bottom, now we're here.
He's announced Raptors games. Jalen, he loves the Raptors so much. He even defended you after you gave up 81 to Kobe. So without further ado, the one and only Drake, welcome to Countdown.
How we doing in the T-Dot?
This can't be Bash Jalen Day. They can't do my guy like that.
Right.
Hey, I'm great.
No defense, Jalen?
Oh, man.
Loves to go left.
Come on, man.
He seen me in Toronto playing offense at Paradise, inside, and other places.
He's a finesse player in Toronto.
You are hosting the ESPYs.
Yes.
And you hosted SNL a couple months ago. So
Yeah.
this brings us to driving the conversation, which is not why hasn't Jalen hosted the ESPYs. It is what made you decide to host the ESPYs?
Well, I've been, it's been a dream of mine for a long time. I watched a guy that I look up to in every aspect of life, Jamie Foxx, do it, and I always say, if I can follow in his footsteps, that'll be a great career for me. So I was blessed with the opportunity to do it. SNL gave me the confidence to do it, and here I am. So
Drake, obviously, the big news coming out of the Oscars, was the host with this famous selfie.
Right.
Come on, man. Tell us what's up your sleeve for the ESPYs.
I'm working. We're a few months out, but I'm working on it. It's definitely the key is to be memorable, of course, especially in this age with the internet and everything going viral. So,
Jalen thinks he's in a sketch.
yeah,
Possibly, we're working on it.
we're working on it.
But talk about the versatility it takes to follow your craft, music and entertainment, but also sports, and be ready to melt it at the ESPN ESPYs.
Yeah, I mean, it's. I obviously am part of the music world, but I even said in one of my raps, sports and music are so synonymous, and it's true. I got a lot of friends that play for a lot of different teams, and yeah, I'm just excited to see those guys in one room, poke a little fun. Of course, in a classy way, but just to see those guys laugh would be great.
Canada obviously is known for great hockey teams.
What? That's people that have to live here. I try to tell them.
He'll tell you what knows right?
But how did you fall in love and become so passionate about basketball?
Well, basketball for me has been a huge thing in Toronto always. I think that the spotlight is on us now, with a lot of these kids crossing the border and doing incredible things. You got a projected #1 pick from our city this year. And, you got...
Wiggins for Wiggins.
Yeah, exactly. So, but for us, it was always big. The high schools playing each other, and we had Denham Brown, we had all these guys, and then and the Raptors were always our team. That's Canada's team, So for me, I grew up loving basketball, and now I get to go to a lot of games. And
now, can you play, Drake? You can ball a little bit.
Yeah, I can ball.
What's your strength?
My shot. I used to be a better, but I tore my ACL playing ball. Yeah, so.
Wow.
But I've been working on my shot just so I don't have to get in the paint and re-tear. That'd be terrible.
I have another key of driving the conversation question. The biggest part of hosting the ESPYs isn't the actual ESPYs; it's the after party that you have. And the after party and after.
Which I hope
are you prepared for this?
Yeah, I hear
At some point, I'm not allowed in the room. I don't know which after that is. It's like the fourth after.
Well, they say you get loose after a couple Mike's Hard Lemonade. So we're excited. We're excited.
Hey, he was that way at NBA All-Star game.
Yeah.
I heard about it from all my NBA.
I shut down New Orleans.
Put it down in Avocado in Toronto.
There you go.
Melanie Fion.
Man.
You don't know nothing
Drop
about
it down.
T-Dot.
We are going to keep talking
That's
about
great.
basketball.
I'm ready.
Drake.